I'm Melissa from Kerr County AC and Heating. In this video, I'm going to walk through why we recommend adding a float switch to your HVAC system. Sometimes the drain pipes connected to your HVAC system can become clogged with debris and dirt and can no longer effectively remove condensation or water. If this happens, water collects in the pan and fills up the pan, leading to an overflow of water that can cause significant damage to your home. The purpose of the float switch, also known as a condensate overflow switch, is to prevent the drain pan from overflowing if the drain stops draining properly. The switch is activated when the level of water in the pan reaches a certain point or danger zone, causing the switch mechanism to trip and the float to rise. When this happens, the switch will send a signal to the AC unit and it will shut off, preventing the drain from overflowing. At this point, your HVAC technician can locate and fix the source of the leak before water damage occurs. Make sure to ask your technician about installing a float switch during your next spring or fall checkup. These are typically kept in stock on our technician's service vehicle and can be installed the same day. We hope you found this information helpful. As always, please feel free to give us a call with any questions. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.